Tanker damaged, partially submerged, Singapore Strait. Product tanker Sea Frontier reportedly struck a rock some 2 kilometers off Tanjung Payasob, Malaysia, easternmost Singapore Strait, at night Jan 30, while approaching port. See pic below. Hull was breached, tanker started to take on water and as of Jan 31, is either partially submerged with boat tilt and STB list, or rests on bottom. It is not clear. 11 crew abandoned tanker and were rescued by nearby merchant ship. No word said on tanker's cargo, but she looks like she's in load. Malaysian officials said they're preparing for oil leak prevention. Product tanker Sea Frontier, IMO 8,911,126, DWT 4,999, built 1989, flag Eskets, Manager Star Formula Marine Services, Singapore.